Let's go!
Let's go! Welcome in, McVin. Happy Wednesday. Hey, I need to make a going live tweet. Welcome in, Foul. Okay. Right. I was going to have attack animations. Let me look at this and see what the fuck I'm working with. Definitely need to turn that frostbite off. That is here. Get that shit out of here. Act animation. Alright, guess we're doing act animation. Welcome in, Monster. Happy Wednesday.
Go.
Let's go, let's go! Okay, so we do attack. I want effects to pop up when attacks happen. Alright. How's everybody's Wednesday coming along? Hopefully, nice and chill. We're halfway through the week. We're making it. I had a pretty eventful day, as I'm sure some people know. Let's see. Right. I need to grab all of those attack effects that I already made in the previous version of this project. That would be here, I think. Welcome in, Brooke. Happy Wednesday. Got hit with the pre-stream ads followed by the 3 minutes of ads? What the fuck? Oh, right. Yeah, because when you start the stream, before your first round of ads, pre-rolls are active. So, you know, showing up for the first minute of stream, generally speaking, you're gonna get hit by both barrels. Alright. Sprites, hit sparks. Yeah, here we go. It's all right here. So, let me just export all of this. One of these days, I will just export this entire project, but that day will not be today. We're looking for sprites, hit sparks. This song feels Final Fantasy. Sure, hit sparks. Very early FF, yeah. Which, I mean, it makes sense. This is front mission, which is also square. Okay, now we go back. Now, import local package. I'm gonna grab this. Now if I go into... Ooh! There we go. Now if I go into sprites... Yeah, here we go. I should make a folder. I should organize these sprites, methinks. Let's see. I can organize them by texture group. Cursors. Alright. Great group. Cursors. I'm gonna grab all of these. Drag it in here. Tile marks. Create group. Tile marks. These are dummy images. I don't need to worry about those. As are all of those. These markers, hang on. Really? I didn't need to put these in a group? Okay. We'll put them in the cursor folder. It's similar. And all my hit sparks here, which their origins... Okay, origins are still good. Now then. I need a way to display these. I believe I'm going to use my fake particle system. UI... Where is it? Particle. Let's duplicate you, because I believe it's going to be similar to a damage number. Particle, hit, spark. D-time. What the fuck is D-time? What is this? It's not used anywhere. Hang on a minute. Did I make this variable and then just not do anything with it? Oh, I see, I see. It's not used there because it's taken care of in the parent event. Don't you start with me. Both of you. Ah. Hydrating. That's when the D Club meets. Yeah, I bet. Okay. It is what I thought. It's the life cycle, basically. Toki, welcome in. Speaking of D time, the D stands for Day Toki. Hello, hello. Happy Wednesday. Congrats on making it halfway through the week. Okay. Let's see. This... What is it set to by default? Okay, so it's infinite by default. That's good. I don't think I need to mess with this for now. I'm going to get rid of that as well. I don't think I need to do anything with this for now. I'm going to get rid of you. Matter of fact, can I just remove this whole ass event? Actually, I might need to change it later. Okay. I will leave that as a parent in case I need to do stuff later, but let's start with the slash. Classic basic hit spark. Duplicate hit spark slash. You are a child of Hitspark. We're gonna say image over sprite slash a over image under slash a under. Wait, that's not useful. Hang on. Fn new sub UI sprite. Is that not function? Hang on. Yeah, it definitely is. New sub. Okay. Game Maker being fucking cringe as usual, I see, and not wanting to highlight things. Image over dot sprite index equals. That's something I can put in the parent. Fn, I guess set sprite. Set spark, we'll do that. Wait, I can do update. Okay, how do I do this with other things? UI main, new sub, new part, position sub. Button? No. Oh, menu should have one. Okay. So I can just override it. It'll be fine. Evening, Mino. Welcome in. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. Hopefully it is treating you well. And then update equals function. Wait. No, that actually doesn't work. Never mind. We're gonna call this set spark after all. Your weekend? Ah, nice, nice. What an interesting schedule you have. It's always good to have a weekday off. Because then you can do, like, office stuff if you need to. Because everybody being closed on the weekends is very inconvenient when those are the only days people are not at work. Let's see. I need a UI element. I need a sprite. I think that's it. That's UI sprite index equals SPR. And then dtime would be equal to sprite get number? Yes. Get number SPR times FPS. Wait. No. Do I want to do divided by FPS? Yes. Yes. Return UI. So that way, I can do shit like this. Equals set spark new sub UI sprite SPR /a over under /a under and we're just gonna kind of hope that this works. How do I create damage numbers? UIP damage number. Sub new. Okay, so I do new part for this. Text. Wait. Huh? 2, 3. I added a fucking Z value to position sub. That's crazy. I don't remember doing that. Well, thank you, past me. Okay, so it's as simple as just putting it in the world. Great. Battle Act now needs an animation. Act anim set. I have named this poorly. It's as simple as that, it's true. What do I want to call the other counterpart to this? So act anim set is just the universal one. This honestly shouldn't even be a fucking variable, but alas, I'm sure as fuck not changing it now. Actually, since it's universal, maybe I can change it and it'll be fine. Let's see. Anim equals new FC. Okay. What if we just grab this and just do this? We don't need this. Okay. This should work exactly the same. And then I can reuse act anim set for something else. Yeah, okay. It works just fine. I'm gonna call this Act Anim Extra, actually. And we're gonna set it to no one. Let's see. We'll add another Act Anim on hit equals no one again. On hit target, and then we'll do on hit user. Act Anim on hit user. I could make these functions as well. Actually, I am now... No, you know what? We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Hmm. Yeah, okay. Let's go to sword. Just regular sword, please. Act Anim on hit target. We're gonna set that to slash. We're gonna make sure Chen has a sword. Now, what am I looking for? I need Act Anim. No, I should make that a function. Hang on. Oh, I closed it. Shit. Battle Act. Function. That does absolutely nothing. But it does require a damage processor. I don't think the user would require a damage processor, but the target would. I guess we'll just do unit. And we'll do that on both. But it might need... Okay, we'll do damage processor for target and nothing for user. That should be fine. Or... Okay. I'm sure this will be fine. Equals function. With damage processor. Add damage number. Here we go. Let's global.ui. I should do something like this, but for non-damage number particles. Okay. So we are going to do... We're going to copy this. Function... Add... Parts. Particle. Because if I do part, that's... Oh, I'm going to get that confused with tense parts. Shit! I should not have named it that. Oh, well. I'm gonna do X. We're gonna do XYZ. XYZ. I should do the particle itself first. X. Y. Come on. Oh. Z. New part. Whatever we specify. Am I dropping frames? OBS says I'm not dropping frames, but I do see in the preview, I notice a little bit of stutter. Hang on. I think I have programs open. Yeah. The usual suspects. Let's see. Pretty sure it's literally just Teams. I don't know if Teams has like hardware acceleration or something active. But usually closing that helps. Let's see. I still notice. No, it might be. Nope, I see just a little bit of stutter. That's annoying. Now go power volume 1, 2, and 3. That's crazy. What else can I close? I do not care that a fucking NVIDIA update is ready. That's really annoying. You know what? I haven't restarted my PC in a while. That might also help. So, if there's still any frame dropping, that's just gonna be the rest of the stream. We can get rid of this. And then this is going to with add particle. Don't need this anymore. Okay. This should work. Let me run it and make sure that I did this correctly. Yeah, okay. We're good. Now then, I should be able to, with handler damage processor, and add particle. Is that not? Oh, there's no FN. Okay. Add particle. We are making a slash. On target.x plus 0.5. Y plus 0.5. Target.z plus negative 0.5. Does the damage number move itself? It does. Okay, cool. I can do that for the other ones as well. $20. Okay, that's a reasonable amount. Let's work slash. So this should, theoretically, work. I do need to call it. So let's go back to act anim. Let's see, damage processing. This battle unit. Reinsert. Push procs ID. Okay, so here I would do act. Wait. Hmm. Okay. We're changing it back. target is in fact getting a damage processor variable. I'm gonna put that right in here. Act dot fn. Wait, no. Act dot act anim on hit target ID. Displace. Instance exists. I would probably do it here, but I'll figure that out later. We're gonna do on hit target first. Let's see. Let's see what this looks like. Excuse me. We should get a slashy here. No. Why not? AP add particle slash target X, target Y, target Z. Slash A over, slash A under. Hit spark. Okay. I realize that should be here, but hang on. What if it simply does not disappear? Where are you? Are you anywhere? Are you really big? Are you really tiny? Okay, let's do a test to see if I can get it to appear at all. If we go to the test room, add damage number, we'll do Mostima. Alright, hang on. Actually, it'll be easier to do it here. ID test. Okay. So that appeared there. If we add particle, UI, slash x, y, z. -1. Hmm. I don't see it anywhere. Why? Set spark. New sub. Hmm. Add particle. Particles should show sprites. What is update board? Wait, where is that? Part sub tween update board. Usually updates the billboard for particle display. When's the ID? Okay. See sprite board, right. Particle. You are child of main. Array for each parts. Draw a billboard. I see. Okay. Okay, so particles have to use C sprite board. Okay. So if I just change that, also this should be subimage. That should be, I think that needs to be -1. What the? What the? Hello? Oh. Hang on. I have to be in the correct object to edit that. Where are you? Here we go. This should be -1. What is happening? God damn it. Every time, I always get menu and main mixed up, for fuck's sake. There we go. Okay, so if I go to... It's here somewhere. Here we go. C sprite board. That's what I want to be sprite. Okay, if I run this, will it appear? Still nothing. Jade, welcome in. Happy Thursday. Nope. Whole lot of nothing. What am I doing wrong here? Okay, SetSpark takes a UI element and a sprite. The UI element is... Wait. Where is it? Add particle. New part, right. Add particle. You just take the index. Is that where I'm messing up? Yes, it is. Wait, what? Hang on a minute. Something is not right here. Where is SetSpark? Is SetSpark where I'm fucking up? Wasn't it Wednesday? What did I say? Did I not say Wednesday? SetSpark. UI. Ay. What am I doing with the damage number? EIP, damage number... Okay, they're treated as parts, not subs. That's where I'm fucking up. It should be a new part. Okay. Does this work? I said Thursday? Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Now it's going. Alright. Now we're fucking gaming. However, why does it look like that? Why? It looks like part of it is like clipping into the terrain. But it's not supposed to do that. Why are you doing that? Is that just a VSync issue? Hang on. If I draw that elsewhere... Where's... I have too much shit open. Whoa! Kuro, thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. There, I said Wednesday. For real this time. Hello. You've caught me in the midst of troubleshooting. Okay, if I put this way the fuck in the air... Up here now. Yeah, it doesn't look like you're clipping anymore. What the hell were you clipping into? That's suspicious. It doesn't have, like, the glowy effect when it's displayed behind terrain. Why is that? Good thing I'm moving away from Unity? Oh, you misunderstand. What I mean... And don't get me wrong, I don't exactly like Unity either. But what I meant by that is I'm working in Unity for my 2.0, but I can't show that on stream because it's got to be a surprise. So I'm going back to Game Maker to do like hobby game dev instead of 2.0 quote unquote game dev. Why are you like this? Where is it? Right, the over should be on top. Set spark, new part. Right. I feel like this isn't going to be an issue. Surely this isn't going to be a problem I actually have to think about. So I just won't. We're not going to worry about the fact that it looks kind of weird when it's clipping behind terrain, because that's something that shouldn't ever happen. So I'm going to put this away. You can go away now. Surprised that you're starting an OnlyFans? I mean, I feel like I could with the 2.0. I don't think it'd be very successful, but all you gotta do is slap a tantalizing texture on there and you're good to go. Okay, now attacks should display. Let's test. Okay. that is a problem. Also, it lags the game, but I think that's just it loading in the texture for the first time. I feel like that's not going to be a problem on subsequent attacks, but I will need to test to be sure. Also, those things need to despawn. Time. There. Let's try this again. There we go. That lags significantly. I don't know if I like that. But, as you can see, it only does it the first go-around. I don't know why it does it so much. I feel like I did not have that problem before. Okay. Now, I need to get it to... No, you know what? I'm not going to worry about direction. It's just going to be completely random. It's going to be completely random, and I'm not going to worry about it. Do I like that size on it? I feel like I could probably shrink it by, like, half. Yeah, those slashes are really big. Yeah, let's cut that in half. I hit my fucking theme song, dude. With image over. Ooh, wait. No, that won't work. Because they'll have to be the same. Will it inherit image properties? I forget if I did that. Image angle equals 90. Let's just do a quick test. I don't know if it will actually do it. No, it does not. That's annoying, and it should. Which means I'm going to change it so that it does. Vertical. dx, dy, dz. Need to go... UI main, destroy, step. D alpha, D angle equals 0. d scale x equals 1, d scale y equals 1, and then we move 2-step. D angle equals image angle. Is that the word? Yes. Not absolute. D angle plus equal super dot d angle. D scale x and then same for scale y. Image x scale. D scale y equals image y scale. D scale x and then d scale y. We forgot to open Stream Manager. I'm always forgetting to do something. Okay. Oh, just in time, because apparently ads are about to spin up. All right. Before I test this, ads are about to run. So I'm going to run ads, and then we'll test this when we get back from ads. I'm going to get up, stretch my legs, get some fresh air, refill my drink, and I suggest all of you do the same. We'll be back in a few. I return. Alright. Let us test this shit out. It should work now. It should rotate, and from there, I can do what I need to do. Whoa! Okay. That did not do. What the fuck? Why is it like this? Why are you like this? Oh, that's why. Hang on. This should be multiplicative, not additive. Silly me. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, there we go. I don't know if the angle worked. Hang on. Where are you? Here. Is it here? Okay. Oh, I just didn't. I just knew that it wouldn't work, so I didn't even type it out. Okay, let's try that again. Image angle equals 90. I forgot it plays that twice. Welcome back, thank you. Let's see now. I don't think that worked. I do like a full 180. Yeah, no, that's not rotating. What the fuck? Why? Oh, that would be why. Hang on. Come on. I fucking forgore blend and alpha. Wait, this isn't. Where's my angle? Is it this? Yeah, okay. Okay. Uh, hmm. Let's do, I guess, angle blend alpha? Angle, which by default will be d-angle. I guess, I don't think image blend would be inherited, so that's fine. And we'll do... I feel like alpha is going to be more used than angle, so we'll do that first. Alpha equals d alpha. And then angle, which is equal to d angle. Oh, whoops. What am I fucking typing? There we go. No. all that just to type the wrong fucking word. Okay. And the particle is... Oh, that's not what's calling it. Or is it? No, it's not. Okay. Wait, it is. Okay, so we're fine. So what if I just... Will it just work now? Oops. What happened? Hmm. Why? Did I not put this in main? I did. D alpha, D angle. What do you mean D alpha is not set? What's calling this fucking code? Whatever is calling this code has image blend. It has image data. This is a particle with each of its parts. EI with E, draw billboard. You are a particle. You should have image data the same as a UI main. What? Okay. Since it was fine before, fuck it. We'll just do that. Okay. Since you want to throw a fucking fit. I don't know. I don't know what went wrong there, but fine. We got the Guile theme. Get out of here. Oh, we're playing some classics. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm in the classics zone all of a sudden. Alpha, D alpha, D angle. It does go with everything, it's true. Okay, it is rotated now. Excellent. Image X scale equals 0.5. Image Y scale equals image X scale. So this should shrink it. There we go. That's an appropriate size. Now then, let's give it a random angle. I'm going to do random 360, just fully. X plus equal random range. RNG. We'll set that to 20 as well. Negative RNG to positive RNG. And do that for Y and for Z. There we go. However, I need step event. Ah, perfect. Image angle plus equals 10. So it's spin. I think it's spinning the wrong way. Let's try that again. Yeah, that's more like it. Do 40. Every frame, that seems insane. Let's do 20. Even that seems like a lot. Yeah, it seems pretty alright. Fuck it, bump it up to 50. We're just gonna push it until it looks ridiculous, and then we'll know where to rein it back. Yeah, that's too much. 20 it is. However, if I then flip, so we'll do absolute value of x scale, and then make this negative 0.5, will it spin in the correct direction? I don't think so. Yeah, we have to account for that. So to choose... Oh, wait. I need to test and make sure first. Negative 20 times sine of image x scale. There we go. Now, choose between... Actually, make this easier to adjust. Choose -1 and 1. Now it'll be at a random angle, and it'll swing either clockwise or counterclockwise. There we go. Looking good. I think... Set spark. No, I can't find it there. Okay, that's fine. I'm in the fucking classic zone. What the hell? Where the fuck is set spark? Okay, here we go. Sprite get speed? Yeah, here we go. Sprite speed as defined. Okay, yeah, that will be useful. Because I think I want that slash to run at like half speed. I remember thinking this in the previous version of this project. So if I set it to 0.5, I would want the D time to be twice as long. So I divide it by the speed. Yeah, okay. Divided by sprite get speed SPR. It should work. If I then go to... Where is it? Where the fuck? Where is your fucking speed setting? Import. Reverse. Handbook, tell me. As defined for the sprite resource in the sprite editor. How many frames may be drawn? Type of speed that was applied, either frames per second or frames per game frame. Per game frame. Book bumble ass song. Wow. Okay. Ah, I see. Okay. 30 frames per second. Where do I set the fucking speed? I guess it's just this. You can set the animation speed and type using the function sprite set speed. Okay, I probably don't want to do that here. Because, yeah, that'll set it for everything, which is not super useful, because then it'll just be overwritten. Frames per game frame. 0.5. Okay, will that work? Oh, wait, I have to do it for both. Frames per game frame. 0.5. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Not quite. What if I make it 2? Oh, wait, you know what? Wait. That's... I don't know. I don't know if this is working correctly. If I do 0.1, if I just make it giga slow. That is... It's... Okay, it's adjusting the time, but it's definitely not adjusting the speed of the animation. That is very strange. Why are you like this? What if... Where are you? Whiteboard, image, speed equals sprite get speed. I guess I do have to do that manually. SPR. In retrospect, I guess that makes sense. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I can set this to 0.5. I can probably decrease the speed of the spin if it's going to be longer lasting as well. Yeah, I can have that. And that does mean I need to set all of these. I gotta slow them all down. Bullet hole should be fine because it's a single frame. Explosion. 0.5. Lots of busy work. And slash is already taken care of, and you are also single frame, so I don't gotta worry about that. Okay. Close all these. Dunk. Hit spike slash. You only spin by 10 now. Yeah, that works. All right, we've got the general idea. Now I have to do that for every attack in the game. Excuse me. What am I looking for? Data? Here we go. I don't want to start with elemental stuff. We could do that later. Yeah, let's start with weapon axe first. Sidearm. Pistol. And this would be... Oh, we gotta do... Well, I was gonna say we have to do muzzle flash as well, but that's gonna wait until characters themselves animate a little bit. I haven't added that in yet. So we need a new hit spark for bullets, and by extension for pierce. Come on, where are you? Oh, we're definitely gonna need a folder for particles. Hang on. Particles. Duplicate. Pierce. Random range 0.3 to 0.6. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Hey, wait a minute. Are the damage numbers still appearing? They are. Okay, cool. Pierce over. Pierce. Pierce under. We still want random angle. Slightly random scale. We don't want it to spin. That is unnecessary. And by extension, duplicate shot. I could make this a child of Pierce and then add image shot. What is it? Is it gun? No. Bullet? Yeah, here we go. Shot over. And then we don't need any of that. Over, under. Wait. This will not work. Because the bullet holes stay longer than the pierce. Okay. So this goes here. Which means... Oh, hang on. Wait a minute. What the fuck? Why is that what happened when I hit undo? Fuck off. Okay, I need to grab all of these again. Put these in here. I won't need... Well, I'll sort that out later. And spark, create... P-pierce equals fn new part. Spark. Pierce. P pierce dot x dot y and dot z. Still want this to be random. Which means this can just be over and under again. What the fuck? Garbage ass multi-cursor. And set D time to 1 second. Saint, welcome in. Happy Wednesday. Which alpha equals... We take the reigning D time and... Hang on. Clamp. 4-day weekend? Oh, hell yeah. You'll love to see it. Thursday's your Friday. Nice, nice. So we only want it to be less than 1 when the time remaining is less than 0.5. So divided by 0.5? And then clamp it between 1 and 0. Can't stop looking at the M4 model? Dude. I mean... by just looking at my model, I'm sure you can tell I am a fan of M4 as well. Though, funnily enough, the inspiration to make this character's hair like this did not come from M4. There was another character in a quote-unquote gacha-esque game. It had a gacha, if I remember correctly, but it wasn't like microtransaction. This was like early days of gacha where not all of them were monetized. Some of them just had the randomness just for fucking fun. And there was they were a healer. I specifically remember. They were a healer character, and they had these like green streaks in their hair. Get this fucking song out of here. Get this brain rot out of my fucking stream. They had the green streaks with brown hair. It might have been black hair, actually. It was one of the two. They were brunette with green streaks in their hair, and that shit was formative. That was a formative core memory on growing me. And M4 was just, that was lucky coincidence. Got AK-12 on the way as well. Nice, nice. Apparently has 2 faceplates, eyes closed and eyes open, as you must. Plan to get Star 15. I wish 416 had one, bruh. But all other models are heavy damage versions. Cringe. Cringy. I like my T-Dolls fully clothed, thank you very much. But nice. I am just getting up to ye old Gamedev. More of the usual. My fucking Sisyphus moment is this goddamn game. Yeah, we'll do D time divided by 0.5, clamped between 0 and 1. We'll see how this looks. And to do that, I need this, but on the pistol. Shot. And Magnum Shot should inherit this. We're going to find out. All those sort of things, true. It keeps me busy. It can theoretically keep me busy for the rest of my life. It did not. Why is that? One hit target, function, add particle shot. Okay, let me do... Hang on. Let's investigate. Yeah. Inherited from pistol 0, which means you should inherit the function. Let me switch this to pistol 0 to see if that works. You put a pierce there. You set your sparks. And then set your time. What if I have it create a pierce instead? Will that work? Where are you? Here, what if I make you pierce? Okay, that one works. As a developer, would you agree with the idea that there is that one random plant object that is randomly placed, somehow magically stopping bugs? Absolutely. It's not always a object per se, but it's always something. There are many instances of my own code where I have literally commented it. I have put the comment on it. I don't know why this works, but if I try to change it, it breaks shit. I have done that on multiple occasions. It is what it is. The code truly develops a mind of its own after a while. Okay, so why does bullet not work? Pierce equals new part. Okay, what if I don't do this? And I just have image over and image under. Let me set this to shot. Remember messing with Bethesda games and map editors and finding interesting things. Your goal in life is to traverse the world and find out reality's invisible collision points that keep it together. I definitely feel like those are a thing, yes. That might be sinkholes? What do you mean? Ah, I see. Hang on. Where are you? Not you, not you. There you are. Why are you not showing up? If I do pierce, will you display? This is how you end up in the backrooms. True. Betting places like Australia's Black Rock Mountain and a certain mountain range in America's underground tunnels and caverns lead to it. If one summer after 2034 the world starts glitching, you don't apologize, it's okay. At least I'll know. Okay. I see. If I set you to 2, what does that look like? Something's up. If I go to hit spark, it's not here. Oh, right. It's under particle. I keep forgetting. Hit spark is not the top of that. Right. D time is measured in seconds. Why is this being silly? Okay, if I do it on the second go around, is it just because of this lag? No, it's not. What in the world is going on here? It'll be a 2-letter agency. Oh shit. Yeah, thanks to saying it'll be. Okay, it's 2. During the step, image alpha is equal to 2 divided by 0.5, which would be 4. Clamp between 0 and 1 should make it 1. What if I don't fuck with image alpha? We can worry about that later. What does this look like? Okay, it is correct. So if I then change this to bullet, will it display? Go on the list by association. Oh, dude, I've been on lists. Don't even worry about it. You remember the happy hour I did with Flatland? I've been on lists, dude. Why the fuck? Hmm. Why are you not displaying? I just know if I go... Where is it? Bullet hole. I go here. .1. We're gonna make this giga slow, which is theoretically not going to solve my issue. Okay. Okay. That still does not explain why it disappears so fast. If I set you to 20, like, what is why are you on an accelerated timeline here? Why is that? They should be able to coexist. Image over dot image speed equals 0. What if I do this? Will this fix the problem? Okay, what's throwing me off is that they are being disappeared. If I do pierce... Is that being manually removed? Oh, that one doesn't show up at all. Oh, hang on. Let's not fuck with that right now. Augment Spike, happy Wednesday. You know how to make a game? Yeah. I haven't, like, finished one before. I'm terrible at finishing things. But yeah, I dabble in programming as a hobby. Image speed equals 0.1. What's the game about? You walk around on a grid and you fight people. I'm a gameplay kind of guy. I'm not really a story guy. Okay, it's manually removing them. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? What is deleting my fucking particles? I need to find every instance of UI particle. Nothing? That can't be right. Parts destroy. Okay. Action EI and destroy E. Okay, okay. Nope. That's not helpful. Let's expand this. Parts break, parts. Okay, that's just in the create event. Reinsert, skill parts. That's all description. I'm not seeing anything that has to do with, like, removing all particles. Why is this happening? Part, array push. Bunch of alpha. Let's see. And sprite exists. C-spec board. Right, right. For each subs. Pistol 0. Let's see. Add particle. And this is adding it to global UI, so there's no reason. There's no reason this would be attached to anything else. We know that Pierce is fine. I can close that. Don't need this right now, or that. Okay. Let's do a nice pause here. Show message. Post. And we want array length for global.ui. Parts. Okay. Pre 0, post 1, pre 2. Right, because it would. Wait a minute. Huh? Post 3, pre 4, post 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $18.85. Okay, so it is deleting them properly. Hmm. Instance number. Find out how many. Yeah, okay. How many instances of shot are there? Because that array length does not appear to be super useful. There's 0 active, now there's 1 active. There's 1 active, now there's 2 active. And it deleted it immediately. Is a thief stealing your plastic bags? No, don't worry about it. They're meant to be grabbed. Why is it deleting them right away? Do I dare? Do I dare look up instance destroy? That's gonna give me so many fucking results. Actually, not as many as I was expecting. Ads are about to pop, but I'm very annoyed at this bug. So I'm not going anywhere. I'm just pushing through it. This brute force would definitely not work under normal circumstances, but fuck it, I got time. I will go through every single one of these 67 instances of instance destroy, and I'm gonna find out what the fuck is destroying my goddamn particles. Okay. In UI main, execute, tween, subs parts. Actually, this may be an awful idea. Wait, I should be able to narrow it down at least. Actually, probably a smarter way to do this is to debug it. If I do this, wait until post. Ah, perfect. It works as a breakpoint. You can go away. Let's see. Where are my globals? Here we go. UI. I sort you by name. Parts. You have a hit spark shot here. E time is 20. Okay, if I resume, I am right here. There are now two. There is a hits work shot and a damage number. Hits work shot, your time is very short. Wait a minute. D underscore time? Where did I fuck up? Where did I type D underscore time instead? Oh my fucking god. Hang on a minute. That would certainly explain some things. User error, as usual. Where are you? Bro, I'm a fucking dingus! Alright, please tell me that fixes it. Please tell me that fixes it and I don't have to fucking think about this. Holy moly. Okay, yes, that did in fact fix it. It does mean I shouldn't have to worry about this. I am so annoyed. Okay. I need it to stop doing that. Hang on. Where? I don't even know where I put that. Is it UI main? Where the... Ah, no. It would be in a battle act. Here we go. Yeah, you can go away. Don't need that anymore. Okay. Okay, the bullet holes are really big. Ooh, this version's nice. Can set the image alpha. That fade is a little slow. Let's do 0.25. And while we're here, let's make these smaller, please. Stream 0.2 and 0.3, perhaps. We'll place a pierce. That didn't seem right. Those were not aligned. Are these origined correctly? That one's centered. That one is also centered. Why was it like that? Also, why are the pierces so tiny? Okay, let's do... var p var pierce. Wait a minute. Well, let's try it with global.ui. Let's see. I think then it won't be affected by the scaling. I don't know if that worked. Hang on. I need to see if I can see that at all. No. Why are you no longer visible? Okay. Well, that's not gonna work. Oh, I know why. It's because it's no longer relative location-wise. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, I can fix this. What we do is we have different scale here. Wait. That would explain why the pierce is offset. Okay, we can fix that later. Random range, and then set these to scale. With image over. Ugh, I'm hungry. I did have a light dinner, to be fair. I think... let's see. I'm only at 2 hours, so I'll go a little bit longer, but... Between being hungry and wanting to work on my 2.0 some more, I will definitely be doing a shorter stream tonight. I want to finish... Get this song out of here. Did I eat anything besides the jam toast? I had the carrot. So yeah, I'll probably snack on some more stuff after stream. Yeah, I definitely want to get the bullets working. I will probably do one other weapon after getting the bullets to work, and then we'll call it a night. I am rapidly becoming very hungry, actually. Image under... And then p pierce.x equals 0. Yeah, here we go. This is an easy way to do it. Y, Z. Alright. Gotta fucking realign this guy. Why are those all in, like, the same place? What's up with that? That's suspicious. Times 10. If there are any non-zero values, it should be quite magnified. Nope. Times 100. No, it's super... It's just not going anywhere. What the fuck? Why? Historic Pierce. Yeah, here's your XYZ value. It's changing. What is going on? Here, what if I don't fuck with this at all? That's extremely annoying. I don't know why I closed the game. I could have just restarted. Right, those are going all over the place. But the bullet holes, not so much. Jiggly. Welcome in. What a name. Happy Wednesday. Why are you like this? Okay. If I then uncomment this, will it move around at all? It doesn't look like it. Alright, we keep closing the game. It's... No, I'm pretty sure it's just rotating. 3D grid based? Yes. I've got most of the combat logic in. Right now I'm working on animations. And for some reason, this bullet hole animation is being extremely stubborn. I suppose I could... I don't know why I'm trying to do it this way. There's an easier way for me to do it. Okay, just as a test. Making a 2.5D with pseudo 3D via sprite stacking. Sprite stacking, classic technique. If it works, eh? Okay, what if I just tell it to go 50 that way? It's not doing it. What is happening? Why is this in particular not fucking moving? I feel like I'm going crazy. Okay, if we disregard P-Pierce entirely and tell this to go like 250 over yonder. Dude, what is happening? For Ghost in the Shell, the singer. Oh, I'm terrible with names. I would not know. I feel like I'm going fucking crazy. If I make it bullet hole, it don't move. If I make it pierce, will it move? No. No, it does not. Why? Okay, let's... Hang on. No, it's not this. Let's start over. Let's just do Pierce. The sprite shouldn't matter. You don't say. It shouldn't. You're right. But I'm going fucking crazy over here. You never know. Okay. Okay. Something is up. Something is very up. If I make this a shot, this will have random positioning. Why? Okay, hang on. That is not what I copied, but sure. R.super. Right. It is supered correctly. If I make a pierce here... Right. So when another spark makes a pierce, it positions itself correctly. But when an attack makes a pierce, no dice. Why? Why are you like this? I'm looking for... Oh, I need to go to the step event. Alright, you have a super. You are not absolute. Are you? You're not... Absolute's off by default. Yeah, okay. This equals super.dx. Right. Damage number does the same thing. Wait a minute. Okay, it offsets... It offsets this. Okay. I'm starting to see... But it should still work if I do it... If I do it in the base... Hang on. Why does this not work? If I put this here... Oh, hang on. I need to grab all of it. So you're telling me if I put this out here, the damage numbers also won't reposition? Why? That is not... Why are you like this? Take it easy, Saint. I hope you have a better night than me. I can already tell it's gonna be a long one for me. Why the fuck does this not work? Hoping to have an interesting weekend? Thanks. I'm sure I will. And likewise to you. Okay. Set x equal to 20. Plus equals 20. Maybe that's what I'm doing wrong. Is that in fact what I'm doing wrong? Hang on. But that wouldn't make sense. If that's what I was doing wrong, then setting it to 20 instead of adding 20 would make it just disappear completely. If I do, like, plus equals 300, surely this gets offset. No, it doesn't look like it. Okay, let's debug mode this. Okay, we pause. I'm looking for... Sort this by name. Wait, what? Oh, here we go. Get these fucking terrain cells out of here. UI P damage number. DX is 832. Super is UI main. DX is 0. Your actual... Where is your actual X value? Oh, here we go. Built in. X value is 832 plus global UI is 0. Means it stays 832. Now, if we go to parts, that's a UI text. Super is a damage number. Your built-in X is negative 18. So DX is 813. Right, right. So it is affecting it. UI text. Empty parts array. Empty subs array. Where is your text number? Scroll speed, tweens, absolute. That's strange. This is damage number. Oh, here it is. Wait. Huh? UI text. Oh, right, okay. Text number and parts 0 are the same thing. Right. Hmm. Let's do y plus equal 300 and see if that changes anything. Maybe it's just a weird perspective thing that's throwing me off. No, it doesn't appear to be. For the life of me, I cannot figure out. UI main. dx, dy, dz, right. Text. It's probably something in here that I just didn't update correctly. dx, dy. UI sprite. This also uses dx and dy. I don't know what I'm missing, man. Well, I'll just have to do it the long way. I don't know why it's like this, and it shouldn't be like this, and I'm very annoyed. But alas. And that means I have to go back to slash as well and fix that. Pop these all in here. Oh, silly me. I forgot my underscores. There we go. These all work just fine. The image angle, X scale, and Y scale seem to be working like a charm. I don't know why the position value doesn't seem to be doing jack shit. Let's do this. 4. I have no idea if this will work correctly. Because if I do... Oh, this one needs to be in hit spark. I do set spark. Which, if I go back to UI main, make a new part. Okay, no, this one does. Okay, never mind, this might work. I suspect... Well, actually, no. I was gonna say, I suspect it has something to do with the way that I type particles to global.ui. But if that was the case, the angle and scaling wouldn't work either. So no, the mystery continues. Zero is less than array length parts I plus plus. With parts at I plus equals x, y plus equals y, z plus equals z. So, if I now go back here and set this to pierce, it should reposition correctly. Yes, it does. Excellent. Which means I need to go back to slash and fix that. Okay, that one's good to go. Hit spark, I can close you. Pierce is good to go. Okay. Now we are back here. Pierce.x. Pierce.y. And then set these to 0. Should also be heading out. Thanks for hanging out, Jade. Have a good EP and a good day tomorrow. I have to grab this. This might fuck with the Pierce offset. We'll see. If needed, I can just move this, Pierce coordinate reset to the bottom. Ugh. I'm so annoyed because this feels so unnecessary. Okay. Right. We need to refix that. Love with the spellcraft. We're getting there. I'm making some headway, at least. Okay. I'm gonna do slash just to make it a little easier to see what's going on in the middle. Oh, I see. I just forgot to fucking change this back. Yeah, I do believe this is in fact doing a silly. So we're gonna set this at the bottom here. Hmm. Okay. We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it like the others then. We know it works when they do it. Okay. Hmm. Now it's looking a little strange. The bullet holes are repositioning themselves, but they're not lined up. They're not lined up with the pierce. At least I don't think they are. They kind of are. It's hard to tell. No, that one definitely wasn't. Set you to pistol 1 so this is a little bit easier to view. Hmm. Is it moving in the opposite direction? Don't know why that would be the case. No, now it just looks completely unrelated. Hmm. This is so incredibly frustrating. No, I'm not. I'm not entertaining this fucking song. That feels too cliche right now. I feel like I'm going into my goddamn villain arc. We got a song that's actually here? Guess not. What else we got? That'll do. Why are you like this? Hmm. That is so disappointing. So over and under are being aligned with the random position. I have to figure out what the fuck Pierce is doing. Or I change the way this whole thing works. Yeah, okay. We're not doing this. Image X scale. Copying you over shot. We'll do it manual. This should work. It's all done the same way in one place. Okay. However, that makes the D-time thing. Shit. How do I make an image not loop? What if set its image speed to 0? No. That's not going to work. I will entertain you though. Image speed 0. We're gonna see what that looks like. As you can see, now the Pierce just doesn't display at all. Let's see. Could I perhaps in set spark set this in here? Will this work? No. That did not work at all. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Let's do a quick Google. Wrestling with subpixel collision validation? Oh, yeah. Don't even get me started on collision. That's part of why I'm doing, RPG, so I don't have to worry about that. Hmm. Let's try... This might work? If... But it wouldn't work for single frame things. In which case, I would just have to check and make sure. Hmm. Hmm. This might work. It will involve setting image speed to 0, so if it works, then you were kinda right. Hmm. I guess this would be... What am I set sparking? FN new part. I need to go to main for that. Sub new part. Okay, so that does count. It does put it in that object's parts array. Array for each parts function. There we go. Get me out of the cheerful zone. Function EI with E. If image, was it image number? Number of sub images in a sprite? Yeah. If image number is greater than 1. Wait, no, that doesn't matter. If sprite in... If sprite exists... There, we'll do that. Sprite index... And... So if the sprite exists and image index is greater than or equal to image number minus 1, image speed equals 0. Let's see. That didn't do the trick. Why not? Image index is greater than or equal to 0. We'll just have it like insta lock. Hmm. What exactly is going on here? This is a UI sprite. So it has a sprite index that it is drawing. What if we just tell it to fucking set the image speed to 0 regardless? Okay. Okay, so it is getting to this. Is image index not the keyword I'm looking for? You can get the current frame of the animation by checking the image index. Right. Though it didn't seem to... It didn't seem to think it was even greater than fucking 0, which is crazy. Oh, this is killing me, man. Alright. So that didn't work. So I have to find some other way. I could make 2 separate calls, but then they would have to line up somehow. Okay. We'll do a little bit of this. Remove the pierce for now. We will come back to that later. Okay. That works. Those bullet holes are still quite large. Do what, 1.15? Using all custom solutions for it, don't like the sandbox physics GM offers. Yeah, I feel that. Only a few physics objects types like static and dynamic. To think someone wrote Roller Coaster Tycoon in assembly. Hey man, they wanted their goddamn roller coaster simulator and they were about to have it. Yeah, that feels like the right size. But do I like that fade out? I forgot to check. Yeah, that looks pretty good actually. I'm gonna do 1.5 to, or 0.15 to 0.25. There we go. And that is immediately really big. 0.15 to 0.2. How's that? That'll do. That will suffice. All right. I've got that working. Now, create... but that's gonna be a problem. It'll be slightly annoying, but... Shot... Pierce... FN new part. we make the shot first, and then the pierce. Pierce. D-time equals P shot dot D-time. Oh wait, I had to actually make I had to switch the animation. This is for sword, don't need that. Switch this to shot pierce. So I suppose I don't really need to do that here. What if I do it like this? If I'm gonna have to manually reposition it anyways, fuck it. I'll just do it here. Pierce. Okay. It works. However, they are not aligned, so I will need to fix that. Do 4 where I equals 0, I is less than pierce. Oh wait, hang on. Array length pierce dot parts I plus plus with pierce dot parts at I x equals shot dot parts 0 dot x y and z, and do y and z. Will this work? That didn't look like it. No, it does not seem like it. Why? What am I missing? What if... Get rid of these. Hang on, let's do it... Actually, yeah, no, this is fine. I want to test something. If I run this, all of the bullet holes will be centered. And they are. If I then... Oh, but then I have to change how fucking add particle works. God damn it. Okay. Very cringy. I'm just gonna grab this whole line. And copy it over yonder. Shit! I hit copy instead of paste. Okay. Right. Those are still centered. Now if I do this plus 50, per se, what's that look like? Yeah, it's over there. Okay. Okay. And so we come to the solution. What a wandering ass road I took to get here, and I am extremely frustrated because I feel like I shouldn't have to do this, but I have no one to blame but myself. Equals random range. Coding do, in fact, be like that. Very frustrating sometimes. But at least I have figured out something. It's not ideal, but it works. And that means we don't need this anymore. Which means realistically, these don't need to be variables. Plus X. Plus Z. Okay. Oh, wait, hang on. I have to fix the other ones. You go away. I still don't understand why the angle and scaling works. Excuse me. Get rid of this. Also, I should be able to just do... What the fuck? Why was that so loud? Thank you, phone. I should now also be able to do this because the scaling works properly for some unknown reason. I can just do that. Now. Remove all of those. Now they should be aligned. There. They are aligned. Also, the pierce is still really big. Let's bump that down a little bit. Let's make that 2 to 3. Alignment aligned. That feels a little too small. 3 to 4. Yeah, that works. Okay. Now, I just saw something that was potentially very annoying. If I do sword slash... Where did that go? Ah, right. Okay, that's fixable. We grab, Huh. Right, don't need this anymore. Where is it? Y'all can go away. There we go. Grab you, slap you in here. Change you to slash. And now that should work properly as well. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. What an annoying fucking session. Goodness gracious. I wanted to do one more weapon after that, but now we're at over 3 hours and I'm still hungry as shit. Fuck it. We're raiding out. Alright, who's on? Got a couple options. Let's go over to Chris's. I haven't been over there in a bit. As always, I like to support smaller streamers, so if you're coming with me on this raid, remember to be nice. You can be a little gremlin bastards if you want, but be nice about it. And most importantly, give the streamer a chance to shine, give them a chance to show their stuff. And until tomorrow, where we are going to be doing more black, hopefully finishing the game, because if I remember correctly, I'm about halfway done. Until then, thank you, Brooke, thank you, Fow, thank you, Jig, thank you, Jade, thank you, Saint, thank you, Monster, thank you, Mino, thank you, McVin, thank you, Spike. Anybody else? Thank you, Kudo. Thank you, Toki. And that's as far back as chat goes. Alright, time for black. Same time, same place tomorrow. I will see y'all next time.